Want to create your own book design without any complicated software? In this video, you will learn step by step how to create a complete book in Canva from start to finish. First, open Canva in your browser and log in to your account. Once you are logged in, click on the Create a Design button in the top right corner. In the search bar, type book or eBook and choose a size that matches the type of book you want. You can also select custom dimensions if you already know the exact size for printing. Next, you will see a blank canvas. On the left panel, Canva offers a range of book templates. Browse through the options and pick one that matches your style. You can customize every part of the template, so do not worry if the colors or fonts are not exactly what you want. Once you choose a template, click on it and it will load on your canvas. To create your book pages, simply add new pages from the bottom right corner. You can copy the existing design to keep the style consistent or choose different layouts for each section. Use the text tool on the left panel to add your content. Adjust the font, size, and spacing so it is easy to read. For images, click on the Uploads tab to add your own pictures or choose from Canva's library of stock images. Once you are done, click the Share button at the top right, then choose Download. Select PDF Print if you want a high-quality file for printing or PDF Standard if you will share it digitally.